design team member for Stamp Anything. Welcome to the first day of the October release previews. We're about to boldly go. So get your captain's log ready because we are about to get on the Starship Enterprise. Now, before we get into this, I just want to say I was a fan of Next Generation, Picard, Riker, etc. I didn't really watch a lot of the original Star Trek. We didn't have cable growing up, so we didn't get the, what's it called? When a show is on again, I don't know. We'll skip that, but yeah. So I didn't get to watch them, and once I got into adulthood, I was like, I'll take it or leave it. But this release is so much fun, and it turns out that Kevin is a Trekkie. So yeah, did I say that right? Trekkie, I don't know. Anyway, for day one, we have James. I don't believe in a no-win scenario, and he is in his captain's chair. He's got his hair back. He is stinking cute. I'm also going to share with you the stencil, the word die, the builder die, etc., along with all of the wonderful design team samples. They are so good. You know, they knock it out of the park every single month. So yeah. So if you want any or part of this release, be sure to sign up for Stamp Club. You can either do just the stamps and the dies, or all of the release. You also get discounts, etc. They just released the newest bundle. I'll pop up a picture here. You have until Friday to pre-order that. If you pre-order, you're guaranteed to get a bundle, and it's Misfits. So it's all about the Misfit toys. There's Santa, there's Rudolph. It's so stinking cute. Anything else I need to tell you? You can sign up for Stencil Club. All the information is listed in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a message letting you know if you're a Star Trek fan. And we're inching closer to 700, and once we get there, I have a pretty big giveaway planned for you guys. So, okay, that's enough jibber jabber. Let's head over to the craft room, and I'll walk you through day one of the October release. Okay, let's start with our stencil as I do. This is the computer stencil. So I believe there's a short video that's going to go up, but as you can see, as the design team members' projects kind of go by, you can see how it's meant to be utilized. I think this is really, really cool. This would be really fun to kind of like stencil it and then cut it out and then make it into a shaker card. Maybe we'll do that. We'll have to wait and see. For our word die this month, we have Boldly Go. So it is the font with the outline, and then you have, isn't this the badge thing? And then you have this. Next, we have the Starship Enterprise. So this is the ship builder die. You have your main ship, and then you have all your fun little pieces. You know, guys, I recommend double-sided adhesive tape when you're die cutting little pieces like that. That's just my tip from me to you. And then last but not least, we have James. I don't believe in a no-win situation, and he is sitting on his little captain's chair. It's kind of hard to see his legs, but they're there, and yeah, really fun. And then of course we have their die, his die. So yeah, that is day one complete. As I mentioned, I will have all of the design team photos passing by as I normally do. Again, if you're interested in any or all of this release, be sure to sign up for Stamp Camp. It is open internationally. There are 2 different links. Both are listed in the description box down below. You can also sign up for Stamp Club, blah, 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 blah. Don't forget that the Misfit bundle will be done this Friday the 13th. So make sure that you get your order in for that. And as I mentioned, Stamp Club members get a discount. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and be sure to come back here tomorrow for day number 2. Bye for now.